Your IRS refund status. How to check and understand. Did you file your US tax return but still waiting for your refund? Don't worry. Today, we'll show you how to check your refund, what each status means, and why your money may be delayed. This is based on the official system from the Internal Revenue Service. Step 1. Where to check. Go to Google and search, "Where's my refund?" Open the official IRS website. Now enter just 3 details: Social Security number or ITIN, filing status, single/married, exact refund amount. That's it. No login account needed. Step 2. Understand refund status. You will see one of these 3 messages. 1. Return received. The IRS received your return, but processing is still pending. This is normal. Nothing is wrong. 2. Refund approved. Good news. Your refund is calculated. You'll now see a payment date. 3. Refund sent. Money has been sent. Direct deposit to 1 to 5 days. Check by mail up to 2 weeks. Step 3. How long it takes. Typical refund time. E-file plus direct deposit about 21 days. Paper return 4 to 8 weeks. So don't panic if it's still processing. Step 4. Why refund is delayed. Your refund may be delayed if bank account mistake, math error in return, missing W-2 or 1099, identity verification check, claiming child tax credit or EITC. Important. The IRS updates status only once per day overnight US time. Checking every hour won't change anything. Closing. So now you know exactly how to track your refund and what each message means. If this helped you understand US taxes better, subscribe for more simple accounting and tax guides.